you love tequila, and I know that you know that I know that you love tequila. So today, one quick and easy recipe with your favorite tequila. Today's cocktail is called Pancho. It's real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. It's tequila based cocktail with addition of Tia Maria coffee liquor and some Cointreau. It's a shaken cocktail, real easy to make, no garnish needed, just pour all the ingredients in your shaker and strain into a chilled glass. That's it. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. We are going to start with tequila, 30 ml 1 ounce, followed by Tia Maria 50 ml half an ounce, and last but not least, Cointreau 30 ml 1 ounce. Now we're going to add ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Smells good. Now we're going to discard the ice from our pre-chilled glass. And we are going to double strain the cocktail because you don't want small pieces of ice in your drink. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Simple as that. Pancho Villa. Cheers! Nice. If you love coffee, coffee is dominant, but you can taste the kick from alcohol. But the coffee flavor is dominant. Not your usual party drink. 1 is okay, 2 maybe, but more than 2. But it's nice. Don't get me wrong. If you love tequila mixed with coffee liqueur and some orange, that's it. It's really nice. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. One more quick and easy video. Pancho Villa, 3 ingredients only. Tequila, coffee liqueur, Cointreau. Really easy to make. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I want to hear your opinion. You know I want to hear your opinion, so just come on. Fill that comment section with comments, please. Come on, come on. If you have any more suggestions for your favorite tequila cocktails that I haven't made on my channel, send me your suggestion in the comments below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much for your support, and see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.